how to add music to Canva and how to add audio to video in Canva. Both of them are going to be the same process. So once you're in the video section of Canva right here, what you want to do is click uploads on the left hand side of the video section, then click on audio as I've just done there, then click on upload files. Here is where you'll need the music or any type of audio already downloaded to your device, whether that's a MacBook, laptop, Windows PC, computer. Go ahead and find the audio, click on it, click on open, and then it's going to upload there as so. Once it's uploaded, you want to go ahead and drag and drop it towards the bottom part of the little edit section down there at the bottom. You can go ahead and put it wherever you want to. Then you can kind of edit the audio, the length of it, etc. by kind of clicking along on the arrows. You can also click on audio effects at the top there. You can fade in and out if you want to. You can do best sync if you have long enough audio. And you can also change the volume by pressing the volume button there. And you can also mute it. So leave a like on the video if that helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.